Ostriches the last time we were there.
They're leading the parade.
They're leading the parade.
Oltayoni becomes the leader. When they're all together, we've got Suswa, we've got Aruba that are taking most of these babies to be left orphans. And human-wildlife conflict is a real problem in our country. It is a problem because there is always an increase in the population of man, or human beings, compared to the space or size of land. And this has caused human beings to occupy areas that belonged to wild animals. Areas where these have known to browse and look for water have been occupied by people. People are doing farming, building structures, and doing lots of developments in these areas. And that is why, if these animals want to migrate from one area to another, they will find it very difficult. In that process of the fight, it is always the young ones that will suffer most. And also depends with their age when they became orphans. It also depends on a factor that elephants will always stay in groups and families. And that is why strangers are not just invited. And this community project is based in Savo. We'll go around the communities that are neighboring the parks of the reserves and giving them education. This community project will also go around the schools that are neighboring these areas, giving education to the children.
Everybody get ready.
Now he's playing.
And those that are under 1 year spend the night with the keepers in the room, because some of them need to be fed on demand and all the rest are fed on every 3 hours. Approximately 2.5 years old, rescued from Opacheta Ranch and identified alone at the age of about 1 year old. Biggest size, an elephant called Oltayoni, right in the middle, being put on the dust. An elephant called Oltayoni, who is approximately 21-month-old. Oltayoni was rescued from Sava Conservation Area, a place called Ziwani, and a victim of ivory poaching. Her mother was killed by poachers and she was left alone at the age of about 6 months. So that makes a total of 15 elephants and 2 ostrich walking away to allow space for another group of 14 elephants to join us.